Okay, we have a Diplomat double oven built under. The customer is saying when they turn it on for the main cooking, it trips the electricity. So we need to find out why it's tripping the electrics. Okay, the obvious thing on tripping electrics is the fan element that causes the electrics to blow because of a short circuit inside the element. It's like a kettle element. But here it looks fine. Doesn't look like there's any lesions, any breakages, so we'll have to pull it out and test further. Okay, we have a circuit short, so we need to find the short. Okay, we've diagnosed the problem, which is the grill element and the base element of the top conventional oven. But both elements need to be replaced. Okay, heating up. All finished.